All right, next two examples. Go with theorem 9.8. So right above it, it says triangles and quadrilaterals that are inscribed in circles have special properties. So one of those important properties is that an inscribed angle of a triangle, if it intercepts a diameter or a semicircle, then we know that we have a right angle. So if we have inscribed angle right here, FGH, G is the inscribed angle. If we go to the chord, or not the chord, but the arc that's opposite it, so we follow the sides out, and those sides, in fact, make half of a circle. Well, we know that half of a circle is equal to 180. So G is an inscribed angle according to that angle, which means we know that this then needs to be 90 degrees. So the most important thing to recognize is if it's across from a half of a circle or a semicircle, we know that the angle is 90 degrees. So if we take that notion with the example down here, we've got FJH, that is a diameter. Goes through the full center of the circle. Okay? We know that that splits the circle in half, but the other bit of information that we have is this angle right here. Well, that angle, if we follow that out, is across from an arc of 180 degrees. So we know that that angle has to be a right angle. So we're being asked to figure out that right angle. We know that this is equal to 90. Going back a ways in terms of our chapter, we know that all three angles add up to 180. So we know that angle F plus angle G plus angle H. Now we're back to 180 because we're talking about triangles. So we have 4x plus 2, G is 90, H is 9x minus 3, equals 180. So 4 and 9 gets us 13x, 90, technically minus 1, I guess you can think about it, is 89, equals 180. And when you solve for x, you should end up with x equaling 7. Now the question, though, wants to know what f is. So f is our 4x plus 2. So you're going to take that 7 and sub that in, and you end up with 30 degrees for your angle. Okay? If you treat it the exact same way with 6, the only difference is same diagram, it's just the picture's different. So the most important thing, again, you still know that G is a right angle, and it's the same exact set of directions, just with new information. So you know that angle F plus angle G plus angle H equal 180. 7x plus 2 plus 90 plus 17x minus 8 equals 180. And when you solve, you get it down to 24x equals 96. We're only solving for x here, and x is equal to 4.